Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making a very delicious fried rice recipe in which I have used brown rice. You can always use white rice in this recipe, but I tried to make a healthier version. If you're on a diet, these are just amazing because it's just loaded with veggies, some sauces, and brown rice. They're super healthy and great for weight loss. So I have taken 1.5 cups of boiling water and I'm adding 1.5 cups of brown rice to this. These brown rice, they are parboiled, so they come like semi-cooked already in the package. If you have just plain brown rice, you can soak them overnight and then in the morning you can cook them in a pressure cooker by giving them 5 to 6 whistles and they should be good. And I'm just going to check my brown rice. They need 2 more minutes. And after 2 more minutes, they're all done. So I'll quickly check them. They look perfectly delicious. Next, in a Chinese wok, I'm putting olive oil. I've added just a little bit of olive oil because I'm trying to make a healthier version. Adding some garlic to it, so 1 tablespoon of garlic around. I'll cook it for 2 minutes and then I'll add the onions. I'm adding onions and green onions. So mostly the white part of the green onions. And I'll saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions change their color a little bit, then I'll add the other veggies. So I'm adding some capsicum and carrots. And I'll also add some corn. So I've added like half a cup of frozen corn. If you have fresh corn, you can add that. You can just add them as it is. Now we'll mix all the veggies together and cook them on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. It's very important to cook these veggies on high flame. If you have a Chinese wok, then it's better. But if you don't have it, you can just use any kadai. So we'll not cook the veggies too much. Once they're done, one important thing is to add the rice first. Never add the sauces and the veggies because otherwise they won't mix well. Next, I'll put sesame oil to this. This is very important in fried rice and a lot of people don't put it in fried rice. But if you add sesame oil, it just changes the flavor of fried rice and it just takes it to another level. I love this chili flavored sesame oil, so I added it. If you don't have it, you can just put sesame oil and some chili sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of salt or salt as per taste, a tablespoon of white pepper powder, and then mix it all nicely. Now another important tip is, usually people mix this together, cook it for 1 to 2 minutes and they think that it's all done. But if you want the perfect flavor, make sure you cook this rice for like a good 6 to 7 minutes and then you'll find the smoky flavor that we find in the restaurants. So that's a very important tip. And now I've been cooking this for 6 to 7 minutes and I think it's all ready. I can smell the smokiness of the fried rice. I'm just going to add some scallions or greens of the green onions. Give it a nice mix and then just serve it hot. And these are ready to eat and to be served. And everyone in the family would love it. You can make Manchurian with this. You can make gobi Manchurian. You can just eat them as it is. Whatever you like. So next time, whenever you make fried rice, make sure you add sesame oil and cook it for a little longer and you will see the difference. Please don't forget to hit the like button. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.